Hello, this is Gar Guy UK. So today I want to talk to you about the Nissan Connect Services App. The Nissan Connect Services App redefines your relationship with your car by allowing you to connect and control your car remotely with your smartphone. So you can connect your Nissan vehicle to the Nissan Connect Services App and remotely control many of your car's features. You can even receive alerts and send information to your car with your smartphone. So I'll show you how to get this app. If you're on Android, you can download it from the Google Play Store. However, if you're like me and have an iPhone, you can download it from the Apple Store. Okay, so if we head over to the Apple Store and type in Nissan Connect, you'll see the Nissan Connect Services app. I've already got it installed, so we'll just open it. And this is the front screen that you're faced with. So if you look in the top left, you can see where it says Qashqai. I've updated mine in the app already. You can add your vehicle in this section if you want to add another vehicle. You'll need to be in the car ideally and have your VIN number at hand to be able to do this. It was a really simple process. So if you have a look at the rest of the screen, so you can see there the estimated range. I've got 190 miles remaining and the car is unlocked. You can see the unlock and the lock buttons. And you can also see the car and its location in the image. If we go to vehicle health, you can see there are no issues currently on my vehicle. It gives information on tyre pressure. So there are the bars currently in my car. You can look at brake information. It will also show you at the top where the dot is, where you can expect to see the warning lights. So as you can see, anti-lock braking system, airbag information, engine malfunction indicator lights, and oil pressure. So that's vehicle health. So on this page we can add alerts. So the first one, speed, we can set a speed limit. There's also curfew, so we can set an allowed driving time period, and also area. So if somebody drives outside the area, you'll get an alert and a notification. So it's really handy. And if we go to driving history, you can see all the history there by month. So your usage, your distance and your time. You don't have to have this just monthly, you can have daily and yearly. So if we select daily as an example, you can see the trips that I did on the 12th of August. So if we go to vehicle service, you can see that I've added a service date of the 12th of July 2024. So that's a year in advance from I first got the car, as I won't get up to that mileage. So that's just a reminder for yourself. And if we go to route planner, you can see that it shows your location, and just like any sat nav, you can type in where you want to go. So if we choose a destination, so for example Manchester Airport, and we select that, we can add that, and we can also calculate the route. So we can see the start point and the end point. And what's really good, you can see that send is highlighted. If you select send, it will send this route to the vehicle. So when you next get into the vehicle, you don't have to faff about with the sat nav. You can just accept the route and off you go. I think that is a really great feature. So that's the route planner. If we go to notifications, this is where you'll see all the notifications with regards to your vehicle and any of the alerts that you may have set up. If you go to the help screen, you've got various telephone numbers that you might want to call to get assistance, and if you select vehicle service booking under vehicle maintenance, it will take you to the Nissan website where you can book a service. That's really handy to have the link integrated into the app. And if you go to the profile tab, you see I've blocked out my personal information. So there's various settings within this app. You're able to select a home address and a work address. And on this section, this is where you're able to set all the types of notifications that you wish to receive. And if we go to units, you can set your distance units and your tyre pressure units, how you want to see them displayed. And if you go to dark mode, you can have it on, off, or use the device theme. So there is quite a bit of customization within the app. And that just shows some of the vehicle information. So that's the profile section. So if you have a look in the top right hand side, you'll see the basket, so that'll take you to the Nissan store. And if we select in-car Wi-Fi, that will take us to the orange business page where you're able to set up an account and you're able to buy the gigabytes to be able to use the Wi-Fi in the car. So that's good that the link's integrated. And if we go to contact Nissan assistance, this just shows you breakdown information and shows when your subscription ends. If we go to vehicle health, this shows that the app will continue to tell us about vehicle health again until the subscription ends. The same with smart alerts, that subscription ends a little sooner, so just check the dates, but should it run out, you're able to subscribe again. Same with the driving history and analysis, that's till 2028. Maps and live traffic, again 2026. And remote control services till 2026. So if we go back to the beginning page, something that I forgot to mention at the beginning, there's the remote control section. So if you look next to the unlock and the lock button, the circle with the 3 dots, if you select that, it takes you to this screen. So you're able to lock the car, unlock the car, but also you're able to flash the lights and you're able to sound the horn and flash the lights. So this would be quite handy if you're in a dark car park and you can't locate your car. So that's another great feature. So that was the Nissan Connect Services app. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an indication on how it works and how you're able to set it up. Thank you for watching the video. If you've liked it, please like the video, and if you like this type of content, then please subscribe to the channel, as it will help, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.